In this video, we are going to show you exactly how to download recordings from your ICSee cameras directly to your computer. We decided to create this guide because so many of you left comments on our channel asking about this specific process. If you have ever tried to plug your camera's SD card into your PC and seen a message asking you to format the drive, do not proceed with the formatting. Clicking that Format Disk button will erase everything. Since connecting the card directly often fails, we use two much safer methods that don't require removing the card from the camera. The first method is through the ICSee app on your phone. We simply open the ICSee app. Select the camera we want, and go to the recording section. From here, we play the specific footage we need and tap the download button. This saves the clip into the app's internal folder. However, on newer Android versions, you won't see this in your gallery immediately. To fix this, we tap the video inside the app and hit the Save button. If the system asks for permissions, we select Allow All. Now, the video is in your phone's accessible memory, usually inside the DCIM folder under ICSee. We then connect the phone to the computer via data cable. Find that folder and simply cut and paste the video to the PC. The second and most professional way is using the VMS software. We need to have the VMS program installed on the computer with our cameras already added. If you don't have VMS yet, we will link a step-by-step installation guide at the end of this video. We open the VMS program and ensure the cameras are online. Next, we go to the Home menu and click the Playback button. If we have both local and remote access, we can choose which one to use. Usually, downloading via local access is much faster. We then select the date and time from the calendar and click Search. On the current version of the software, days with available recordings are marked on the calendar, like you see here for the 18th. We can play the video to confirm it is the right one, and then we click the Download button. A list of files found on the SD card will appear. We select the specific files we want, choose a destination folder on the computer, and select the file format. We recommend choosing MP4 because it is the easiest to play on any device. Finally, we click the Download button. After a few seconds, the file is ready. We can open it directly from the software or go to our folder to check the final result. This is the best way to keep your recording safe without worrying about card errors. If this guide helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more security camera tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you need further assistance, you can always reach out to our technical support. We are leaving our contact information down in the description and in the pinned comment. This is a free support service we offer specifically to our channel subscribers. Right now, you should see a button on your screen that will take you to our video on how to access your cameras using the VMS software. God bless you.